Today we're making a pot roast in the express pot. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a pot roast in an express pot, and the cool thing about this is not a sponsored video. In fact, this video is happening because my friend got this as a Christmas gift and she wasn't sure if she should use it or not. And I said, well, you know, I can help you with this. And she said,
can you do a video?
So of course, here we are doing a video. It is going to be so easy to do because these are really easy to use. First thing that you want to do is make sure that you clean everything, follow the instructions. There are all sorts of different electronic pressure cookers. You follow the instructions for yours. Make sure that it is nice and clean. Then what you want to do is we're going to do our settings. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to brown and saute this. And what we're going to do is we're going to set it for about 5 minutes to brown and saute. Let's set that right now. Once you have it set, it'll start heating up. Once it's ready at temperature, you're ready to put in your meat. And it will brown it wonderfully. We're going to brown it on all the sides that we can. Once the meat has browned, I'm going to reach in, take it out. Then really quickly throw in my onions. The temperature is high enough that they will caramelize quickly, and I mean super quickly. I'm going to add my meat back in, put in my garlic. These are baby carrots, ranch dressing mix. Now if you want to learn how to make your own ranch dressing mix, go ahead and click that eye in the sky. And it'll teach you how to make ranch dressing mix. This is about 1/4 cup. We're going to put that in there, along with onion soup mix. I made my own onion soup mix. If you want to learn how to make your own onion soup mix, go ahead and click that eye in the sky. I'm going to sprinkle that in there, along with 2 cups of beef broth. That was the hard part. All right, now what we're going to do, we are just going to put the lid on, and I'm going to we'll turn this around a bit. We are going to make sure that we are set for no steam coming out because we're going to pressure cook this. It is locked in place, so now let me set it for 50 minutes. I'm going to cook this for 50 minutes. Our pressure cooker is now heating up. And then once it's at the right temperature, it will cook for 50 minutes. It is no problem. It will do all the work for us, and it will taste really great. We did not have to do anything with this. That's the cool part about this. Don't feel that you have to go through a whole lot of hassle, a whole lot of stress, but when this comes out, you're going to see a mouth-watering roast. And that's it. Everything is done. It has cooked. So now what we do is we just wait a minute or two for the pressure to do its own thing. The express pot has done everything. It was silent, it was wonderful, took no time at all. So let's just wait and let it do its stuff. So that's it. The time is done. It smells so good and so wonderful. So now it's going to be time to release the pressure. I am taking a cloth, just to be careful. And now we're quick releasing the pressure. Once the steam has stopped, all the pressure will be released and we can open it up and take a look at our roast beef. Now the steam has been released. So now I can unlock it. And we'll take out our roast beef. Try not to drop it like I almost did. I'm going to slice it. And there you have it. A roast beef which is done. Took less than an hour and was so easy. I'm impressed with what this thing can do. This is the Crock Pot Express Pot, and I think it was a really, really cool thing to use. If you have one of these, let me know. Let me know how you like it and what you've done with it. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.